Hi guys, welcome to my channel Subhash Sir's classes. Today we are dealing with a concept in algebra which is generally meant for class 11, and this is expansion in binomial theorem. How we expand a binomial theorem. What is a binomial theorem? It is a theorem that links with a binomial, means a polynomial with only two terms. So if we have an expansion like a plus x to the power n, then there is a general formula which is nc0 a to the power n x to the power 0 plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 x to the power 1, and it follows up to ncr a to the power n minus r x to the power r, and the last two terms will be nc n minus 1 a to the power 1 x to the power n minus 1, and the last term is nc n a to the power 0 x to the power n. This is the general formula, and let us try to understand this expansion and let us derive it from the very from the very beginning. We know when we have a plus x to the power 1, clearly this is a plus x, and if we write using the binomial coefficients, we can write this as nc0 a to the power n minus 0 or n, which is 1. Since n is 1 here, take 1 here, so 1c0 a to the power 1 minus 0, that is 1, and x to the power 0, plus the second term will be 1c1. This one increases 0 1 this way, so this will be a to the power 1 minus 1, which is 0, into x to the power 1. Clearly a to the power 1 is a, x to the power 0 is 1, and 1c0 is 1, plus 1c1 is 1, a to the power is 1, and this is x, so this becomes a plus x. So this formula is true when n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, we have a plus x whole square, which we earlier know that this is a square plus 2ax plus x square. Using the binomial coefficients, this one will be, the value of n is 2 here, so it always starts with 2c0, so 2c0 a to the power 2 minus 0 x to the power 0 plus 2c1 a to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 x to the power 1 plus 2c2 a to the power 2 minus 2 is 0 and x to the power 2. So 2c0 is 1 into a square into x to the power 0 is 1 plus 2c1 is 2 a and x plus 2c2 is 1 into 1 into x square. Clearly you see there are the three terms, a square plus 2x plus x square. So binomial theorem is also true for two terms. Similarly, a plus x cube will be, using the binomial coefficients, we can write 3c0 a to the power 3 minus 0, that means 3 x to the power 0. The second term will be 3c1, and the difference will be the power of a 3 minus 1 is 2 and x to the power 1. Next term will be 3c2, take the difference of these two and put it here 1, and directly write this one here. The last term will be 3c3 a 3 minus 3 is 0 x to the power 3. Clearly you can also take notice that this one is 1 a cube into 1 plus 3 a square x plus 3 a x square plus 1 into x cube. So this is a cube plus 3 a square x plus 3 ax square plus x cube. So clearly you see I can write the coefficients and I can use them, and I know how to use them in order. But when you are a beginner, how do you know that 3c0 is 1, 3c1 is 3, 3c2 is 3, or 3c3 is 1? So for that you need to go through permutations and combinations, and in that chapter you must understand how to find the value of a binomial coefficient. Generally, there are some rules. NC0 and NCN are always equal and they are equal to 1. There is a first rule. The second rule is NCR is equal to NCN minus R. That means 11C3 will be 11C11 minus 3, that means 11C8. 12C5 should be equal to 12C7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 3 plus 8 is 11. 9C2 should be equal to 9C7 because 7 plus 2 is 9. So that is this rule. And there is another rule. When you try to find NC1, this will be equal to n by 1. If we try to find NC2, that will be n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2. When you try to find NC3, it will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 and so on. So this is the general trick used in examples. 11C3 should be 11 into 10 into 9. Take 3 terms in descending order and 1 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3 from 1 in ascending order, exactly 3 terms. So if you just cancel, then you get 165. This is the value of 11C3. What is 7C2? This should be 7 into 6 by 1 into 2, so 21. So now using this formula you can find the binomial coefficients and you can expand anything, like say you are given a plus b to the power 5. How to expand? 5C0, a to the power 5 minus 0 is 5, b to the power 0 plus 5C1, a to the power 5 minus 1 is 4, b to the power 1 plus 5C2, a to the power 5 minus 2 is 3 and b to the power 2 plus 5C3, a to the power 5 minus 3 is 2, b to the power 3 plus 5C4, a to the power 5 minus 4 is 1, b to the power 4 and the last term will be 5C5, a to the power 0, b to the power 5. Then 5C0 is 1 as usual, a to the power 5, b to the power is 1 plus 5C1 is 5 by 1, a to the power 4 into b plus 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 1 into 2, a cube b square plus 5C3 will be 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3, a square b cube plus 5C4 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and a b to the power 4 and the last term will be 5C5, so that is equal to 1, a to the power 0 is 1 and b to the power 5. Now you see, try to cancel the terms. 2, 3, 4. So you finally get a to the power 5 plus 5 by 1 is 5, a to the power 4 b. Next 5 into 2 10, a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5 a b to the power 4 plus b to the power 5. You can also notice a thing that the coefficients are in the order 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, ascending up to a certain value and then descending. So this is the way how you expand a coefficient or you expand a binomial, and sometimes you will be given problems like this: x plus 1 by x to the power 4. So this will be 4C0 x to the power 4 into 1 by x to the power 0 plus 4C1 x cube 1 by x to the power 1 plus 4C2 x square 1 by x square plus 4C3 x to the power 1 1 by x whole cube plus 4C4 x to the power 0 1 by x to the power 4. So 4c0 is 1 into x to the power 4 into 1 plus 4c1 is 4 by 1 x cube into 1 by x plus 4c2 is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 x square into 1 by x square plus 4c3 is 4 into 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 x into 1 by x cube plus 4c4 is 1 x to the 0 is 1 and 1 by x to the 4. So now you can see cancel them. You are getting x to the 4 plus 4 x cube and x, this is x square. Next one is 2 into 3, so 6 x square into x square cancels, so 6 plus next is 4 x and x square, x and x cube they get 4 by x square plus 1 by x to the 4. Here also you see there is an ascending order and descending order 1 4 6 4 1. So I think you understand what is binomial expansion, and in the following class we shall study the properties of binomial theorem. Till then, bye.